What's wrong with my motor mount. If you can see here, it's in two pieces. Well, I got new motor mounts. That's what they look like now. And I haven't found out, just have a broken transmission mount. So I replaced this side. I don't know if you can see in there, but it's like right there. And I have a broken transmission mount, which it's right there. So now I have to buy another transmission mount. And let's see, and a fuel pump. Then the old truck should be back running completely again. So that's next on my list, and I'll keep you updated.